Hello and welcome to this session about Principle 3 of the Scaled Agile Framework. Assume variability, preserve options. In our previous sessions, we learned why safe Lean Agile principles are important for transformations. We have also learned about first safe Lean Agile principle, take an economic view, and the second safe principle. Apply systems thinking. In this session, we are going to learn about third safe principle, which is assume variability, preserve options. We can also say embrace uncertainty and maintain flexibility. What is variability? Variability is the uncertainty and unpredictability that is inherent in any complex system, such as a software development project. It can be caused by a variety of factors, such as technical challenges, changing market conditions, and user feedback. Why is it important to assume variability? Because variability is inevitable, it is important to plan for it and build flexibility into your development process. This means not getting too attached to any one solution or design too early. Instead, you should explore multiple options and be prepared to adapt as you learn more. In the book, Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporation, by James P. Womack and Daniel T. Jones, there is a quote by Alan C. Ward which says, "Generate alternative system-level designs and subsystem concepts. Rather than try to pick an early winner, aggressively eliminate alternatives. The designs that survive are your most robust alternatives." In the old way of designing and developing things, people tend to pick one design and set of requirements too quickly. The problem is, if that initial choice turns out to be wrong, it takes a long time to fix it, and the end result might not be as good as it could be. The issue arises because we're making important decisions early in the cone of uncertainty and attempting to force certainty by freezing requirements and design. We try to make things certain by locking in requirements and design early on. Especially with larger and more innovative projects, there's a good chance that the initial choices aren't the best ones. What's unfortunate is that when we realize the risk, we tend to make requirements even stricter and earlier in the process, which doesn't solve the problem. It makes it worse. The development of products and services is an inherently uncertain process. There are many factors that can contribute to this uncertainty, including technical challenges, market conditions, and customer preferences. In order to be successful, organizations should be willing to experiment and learn, and being able to adapt to change quickly. Solution development involves inherent uncertainties. Both technical and market uncertainties persist throughout the development journey. Innovative systems, by their very nature, lack established blueprints for guaranteed success, which is what makes this field so exciting. Developers often strive to minimize uncertainty as swiftly as possible, as predictability tends to instill confidence. This inclination is a part of human nature. However, even when we believe we have made considerable progress, some level of variability remains. It's important to understand that variability is neither inherently positive nor negative. It simply exists. The key lies in the economics related to when and what type of variability is encountered, as these factors ultimately influence outcomes. The objective is to effectively manage variability while retaining the flexibility and controls necessary for teams to construct exceptional solutions. So what is the solution? Stay tuned with us to learn the solution using the set-based approach and recommendation from Dave Snowden using Sinafin framework in our next session.